Hey, so today I have a question for you. Have you ever found yourself standing in front of your canvas with a paintbrush in your hand and just hesitating? There's like 100 possibilities, but there's this moment of doubt that just keeps holding you back. That specific moment is what I want to talk about today. The space between the idea and the action that you need to take in order to finish your painting. Because what if you could move through your paintings without hesitation? What if you could finally trust yourself and your art? I know that feeling of doubt so well. It's that awful sense of failure when a painting that felt so good yesterday turns into a disaster today. It's looking at other artists' work and wondering about the secret they seem to have. It's that little voice in your head that keeps telling you that you're not good enough. So many of us believe that the answer to all of this is just to copy other artists, but in the end, that just leaves us with even less confidence. But let me tell you this, the path forward isn't about finding a secret. It's about learning a language. What if every time you approached the canvas, you knew that you had the tools to turn any struggle into a manageable challenge? What if you could look at a painting that feels too busy and instead of feeling defeated, you knew that by using things like variety or paying attention to value, that you could find its opposite, that you could bring in calm, create space, and find your way back? And what if you understood that a failed painting is never a total loss? That even if you push things way too far, you'll still have the tools for editing and recovering it. So this journey from hesitation to trust is the entire reason that we're exploring the language of art together this week in the free Clarity Workshop. The concepts we've explored so far are variety and value. And these aren't just technical rules that, you have to use. They are both part of the vocabulary of this language of art. They are the tools that help you build a painting with purpose and intent, moving from forcing the work to listening to what it actually needs. This is how you build trust in your own process. It's how your art starts to feel less like an unpredictable accident and more like an authentic expression of you. Your authenticity is your voice. This is why I'm so excited about our live painting session and Q&A this weekend. We're going to bring all of these ideas to life. We're going to take variety and value and then the color concepts that we explore on Friday and put them all into practice together. You'll see me make bold moves and navigate the process in real time. And I'll also let you in on all of my thoughts. Oh, and by the way, if you're just seeing this now and worried that you've missed out, please don't. If you sign up today, you can watch the 2 first videos on variety and value straight away. Then the 3rd video on color will be released this Friday, and then you'll be all set for our live painting and Q&A session on Sunday. I would love to have you there. For now, as you explore today's lesson on value, hold on to this feeling that we talked about, the feeling of trusting your own voice, because that is what makes your art truly special. All right, guys, keep creating, and I will definitely see you on Sunday for the live session.